Morning, bright and early, 6:30. Got a lot to do today. So let's get started. Yesterday we had a look at this Discovery 2 rear silencer and we poured some water through it. Well, me and you did. And we had a look and trying to check the flow of this to see why the centre silencer blew up on the car. Now, I was thinking about this last night after we'd filled it with water because it didn't come out all that fast. And what sort of silencer is this? And is it blocked? Because I had a feeling that this silencer was something like a perforated tube with insulation. Therefore, that's why I did the water test, because it should just flow straight through. But it didn't. So Brian's going to get another exhaust system, a stainless one from the States. Makes sense. It doesn't make sense buying it from the UK. Why buy a Britpark crappy silencer when you can buy a stainless steel one? You know, it doesn't make any sense, does it? So what we're going to do is going to cut this up. There it is. So what I'm going to do first of all, I'm going to get rid of this bit here. That bit's annoying. So what we're going to do is, if you can see down here, I've got one of them rather handy dandy devices that you can actually spin upside down, get the crap off, and it's a pipe device as well. We'll put a bit of light on up there. Now what I'm going to do first of all, without knocking anything else down, is cut this big piece off first. Right. Something like that. There we go. Because really it's no good to man the beast, is it? Sawzall, best tool you can get. Right, let's have a go. That's enough now. Tune in next week and see what happens. Right, what are we going to find? Ooh. Oh, that's interesting. Oh, that's very interesting. Wait a minute, I'll just snap this bit off because I don't want it falling on the floor. Maybe this had something to do with it. Let's cut the other end off. Get that out of the vise. Put that in the scrap bin. Here we go again. These are often called demolition saws. You can get all sorts of different blades for them, especially for wood. And if you've got nails in wood, it'll just rip through them like nobody's business. Every Land Rover owner should have one. Holy shit. Well, it's not often I'm wrong, but this time I'm right. That's one end, and that's the other. Better keep that away from Philip Schofield, otherwise he'll be in it, won't he? Now, we've established that that piece of pipe is junk, but let's go a little bit further. I wonder if I could get that in a chop saw. No, maybe not. I'll tell you what we'll do now. We'll cut this. Oh, wait a minute, the wire's come out there. We'll cut this in half. How's that? And now I'm not sure if that vise will hold that now. Maybe I cut too much of it. Or maybe I should use the grinder. That might be best, because this is reciprocating, so I might just reciprocate a little bit too much. Yeah, let's do that. And we'll do it real time, we won't edit anything out. And use a slitting disc on this. Don't forget to get the goggles on. I thought I'd have cleaned it. Yeah, I think this is the best way to do it. Well, I don't know, it's not very often I cut exhaust, so. Watch your eyes. It isn't a very straight cut, but I don't care, because it's not going to go back on, is it? Not much to go. Are we ready, children? You want a good view? Yeah, I think that was the reason why it got blocked up and blew the silencer. As I said, the tube inside is a perforated tube, you see, like that? And this is sort of like a fiberglassy type material. This is obviously rusted away to nothing. And consequently the webbing or padding or whatever it is in there is gone. Oh, well, while we're here, let's have a look down here and pull all this lot out. It's a bit wet from yesterday. But it's no wonder it blew up, look. Bloody hell. I thought mice had got into it, you know. Wasn't that fun? It's not often I'm wrong, but this time I'm right. I thought there was something fishy with this system from the beginning. Could this be the reason why it was throwing some strange codes? Because, well, there were strange things happening. I have never ever seen an exhaust centre box blow up, explode. But of course, if it's blocked up like this, where else is it going to go? There's nowhere else for it to go, is there? There's all that big V8, 4.6 V8 pushing air into just a tube, really. Something's got to give. Anyway, I hope you liked that. That's answered a lot of questions. Britpart. Can't beat it, can you? Well, you could.